Bullhorn, my honest review and user experience. Is this the best recruiting software? Recruiting today is all about speed, precision and automation, and Bullhorn promises to deliver all three. But does it live up to the hype? I tested it myself, and here's my honest review of Bullhorn's recruiting platform. Most people assume applicant tracking systems are clunky and outdated, but the surprising truth is that Bullhorn has refined the experience with a clean, modern interface that actually makes hiring easier. Setting it up was simple. Within a few hours, I was managing candidates, tracking applications, and syncing data across multiple platforms. Bullhorn's real strength is automation. You can automatically parse resumes, send personalized follow-ups, and even schedule interviews without manual input. For large recruitment firms, this is a massive time saver. The Crumb features are also impressive. Bullhorn doesn't just track candidates, it tracks client relationships, communication history, and performance metrics. This makes it ideal for staffing agencies that juggle hundreds of open roles and clients simultaneously. Integrations are another win. It connects smoothly with platforms like LinkedIn, Outlook, Slack, and Zapier, meaning your recruiting workflow stays unified. On the downside, pricing isn't transparent. Costs vary depending on your company size and the modules you need. Smaller businesses may find it expensive compared to alternatives like Breezier or Zoho Recruit. Still, in terms of functionality and reliability, Bullhorn is one of the best ads and Crumb combos out there. It's designed for professional recruiters who value automation, analytics, and scalability. If you're serious about improving your hiring process, Bullhorn is a strong choice worth exploring.